Once upon a time, nestled in the heart of an old, dense forest, lay a small village. In this village lived a bright and curious young man named Ethan. For centuries, the villagers had followed a single path that wound through the forest, leading them to the nearest city. This path was rocky, long and dangerous, often leading to encounters with wild animals. Ethan always wondered if there could be a better way. The village elders would tell him that this path was built by their ancestors and was the safest and only route. But Ethan's curiosity wouldn't let him rest. One day, he decided he would find a new path himself. The villagers mocked him and called him foolish. But Ethan paid no heed to their words. He drew a map, carefully studied different parts of the forest, and one morning, set out with his tools and some provisions. He chose a direction entirely different from the existing path, where he believed the terrain might be smoother. After several days of hard work, struggle, and facing dangers, Ethan found a place where the forest wasn't as dense and a small stream flowed. He started following the stream's bank and soon realized that this route was not only shorter but also much safer. When Ethan returned to the village via his newly discovered path, the villagers were astonished. He told them he had found a new and better way. At first, no one believed him, but when a few brave villagers accompanied him and walked the new path themselves, they were amazed. This route was indeed far superior to the old one. Slowly, all the villagers began using this new path. The old, dangerous, and long route was forgotten. Prosperity came to the village because reaching the city was now easier, and trade flourished. The moral of the story. The lesson from this story is that we should never blindly follow old traditions and methods. It is crucial to question, explore, and seek new solutions. Sometimes, the courage and curiosity of one individual can lead to improvement for an entire society. We should keep our minds open and not assume that a method that has been followed for centuries is necessarily the best. Change and innovation are the keys to progress. For more stories, subscribe to Stories Desk YouTube channel.